Here's a quick video from Mark's Reviews and Tutorials on how to reset the oil interval in your car, your oil change interval. We want is to be pressing the start-stop button without your foot on the brake. Pressing it once will get you to the accessories position, like that. Pressing it a second time will light up all of your lights and get the iDrive and everything going. Now these resets are not done through the iDrive system, they're done through the stalk here. Now see, I've got a warning coming up for brake and I need to replace the brake sensor. I've tried to reset it but I'm not able to. That aside, this is about how to reset your oil after you've done an oil change. It's done with the little odometer reset button here. So when the car is in the on position, we press and hold this and wait for it to come up. There it goes, there's the front brake sensor coming through to oil. Press and hold that. You see it's saying 4,300 to an oil change. Reset, let it go, press it again, and it then goes like that, let it go, and there it sets back out to 25,000 kilometers. That's a long way for an oil change. I change the oil a whole lot more often than that, but that is how you reset the sensor and then let it go and it's come back to its normal thing. So there you go, very, very quick and easy how to reset the oil reminder. This is a 2007 E61 or E60 BMW.